goal at Gripable has been to create a truly accessible system, providing therapists with a very quick and easy way of calibrating a device to an individual's ability, setting goals for specific movements, and most importantly, providing an engaging and fun way of completing those goals. Linking to a mobile app makes Gripable truly portable for use in gyms, bedside, and even in the home. In fact, we're able to deploy Gripables to therapists or individuals within 24 hours, providing setup and training remotely and continued support.
I get excited about Gripable because I immediately saw its potential for bringing a low-cost assessment tool as well as a captivating training device to a broad number of people with upper limb disorders. The opportunity to develop Gripable and enable more functional and more diverse assessment to be done in a device that should be accessible for all clinic and home environments is super exciting. And I've spent much of my career encouraging people to engage in their home programs, which can last over many months, and motivating to keep people going with their exercises and squeezing putties and the like has shown me all too often that people start with really good intentions, but keeping that going is extremely difficult. So for me as a therapist, I wanted to give people a way to demonstrate both to me as a therapist, but also to themselves, the efforts that they're putting in.
It's so important for stroke survivors to see their rehab progress, because progress is motivation to strive yet further. Gripable really get you. They get stroke survivors, they get people with weakened hands and arms. If I'd have had Gripable 10 years ago in hospital, I'd have practiced even harder. I was desperate to be back home. I would have loved to have had Gripable when I was rehabbing. It's tech that you can access, it's affordable, and that's not like a lot of robotics that I've seen over the last 10 years in all my advocacy work. So I think Gripable can really help you to be the best version of you.